Tracy Schultz here. I have for you another look at the Lazy Day kit from Not Too Shabby, which is the premier monthly subscription kit from Not Too Shabby. I have here the stamp set that's called Me Time, which features a really cool girl hanging out with her headphones on, a cute hair bow, a plant, a gorgeous chandelier, a cat, a pillow that says relax, a book that says me time, a pair of glasses, another sentiment that says you deserve some me time, a cup and a saucer, a stack of books, and the books say on the spine, one of them, books anyways, on the spine says Girl Boss. Another sentiment that says relax, refresh, recharge, and a comfy couch. I love the stamp set because of the girl who is relaxing with her headphones on. I love the chandelier, it's gorgeous. And of course, that couch just looks so luxurious. And the sentiments, I think, are fantastic. You deserve some me time, relax, refresh, and recharge. It's so important in today's fast paced world that we make sure we take some time to do just that. This next stamp set that's part of the kit is called Time to Relax, features some beautiful floral images as well as leaves. The sentiment, look fabulous and be awesome. Another sentiment that says pamper yourself. The girl is wearing a unicorn robe, her hair is up in a bun. There's a candle that says time to relax. There's that cat again, how adorable, this time wrapped in a fluffy robe, and this fantastic, amazing clawfoot tub. Because I don't think I've ever seen another stamp set with a clawfoot tub. And who doesn't like to take a long hot bath after a long, hard day's work? And don't forget to add the bubbles. Nothing like pampering yourself with a good soaking. The third stamp set in this kit. Yes, you heard me right. The kit has 3 stamp sets. This set is called Not Today. It's got a t-shirt that says Not Today with a heart, a hoodie sweatshirt that says Namaste in bed, sentiment that reads Need coffee, adulting is hard, another sentiment that says It's okay to take a break, a chocolate bar, a pair of fuzzy socks, a hair bow, big hair bow, um, eye cover, I forget what that's called, eye mask, a cell phone, and the cell phone says time to relax, a big cushy chair, a travel coffee mug, and a girl who has her legs crossed, and she's got the most amazing eyelashes I've ever seen. Super cute. All 3 of these stamp sets are totally adorable. And definitely check out Not Too Shabby Shop, where you can find all the details on the monthly kit. And it's soon about to switch over to a new kit for May. There will be some sneak peeks coming up in the next few days of that new kit. But we still have the April products that we want to highlight because they are so adorable. And just imagine sending a card off to your girlfriend who, she just is burning the candle at both ends. How much she would appreciate getting a card featuring any one of these scenes. The kit also features 2 6x6 paper pads, one called Lazy Day Basics and one called Lazy Day. So this one is Lazy Day and this is Lazy Day Basics. Lazy Day Basics features 4 of each design, and Lazy Day features 2 of each design. These are double-sided papers, and I'm just going to flip through them so you can get a chance to look at them yourself. I love these papers. I love the pinks. I love the purples. Um, and I think that they're going to come in handy. Oh, and the greens. The greens are so vibrant. I think they're really going to come in handy when creating cards with the cute stamp sets. I'm going to speed this up a little bit for the sake of time. These paper pads were designed by Teresa Russell. Teresa is a member of the Not Too Shabby design team. Teresa previously, well, she recently retired her business, which was called Scrapping for Less. And one of the things that she offered there were these gorgeous papers. So I was so excited whenever I saw that Jamie was going to have Teresa be designing her papers because Teresa's papers are gorgeous. And this paper pack features many of the similar images that you saw in those stamp kits. So, like the coffee cup, the face mask, chocolate bar, the cushy chair, the cushy couch, the plant, the cat, the bathtub. Um, just so super adorable. And I think these would make great Mother's Day cards. With Mother's Day coming up, you can use these pattern papers because what mom doesn't need to remember to take time to relax, renew, and refresh? These papers also have some beautiful floral prints. It was definitely a dream come true to be playing with this kit. Also included in the kit is an ephemera pack. And the ephemera, which I'm going to go through quickly here, has lots of different pieces to it, many very similar to the ones that you saw in the stamps or in the papers, but these are already colored in and ready to go. All you have to do is put them on some cardstock and boom, you have an instant perfect card. These cards would also come in handy when it comes to, well, birthdays, of course, um, thinking of you, get well soon. So definitely very versatile indeed. Now I'm going to show you the cards that I previously made with this kit, and then I'm going to make another card today. So here are the 2 cards that I made. My first one features the girl on the couch with her headphones on, and I made the room with that green paper in the background as my wallpaper, and I have a purple chandelier because purple is my favorite color, and why not? You should always have some purple bling in your life. The second one features the pink wallpaper background, and I put frames around both of these because I really wanted to accentuate the fact that you're kind of like looking into a room. Okay, so for this card for today, I took from this paper. I took some of the flower paper, one of the many beautiful floral papers that are available, and I took the girls in the bathtub paper, and I trimmed one of those out because I'm going to be creating a picture to be hanging on the wall in the bathroom. Here I am again with my frames. I really have been getting into using frames on my cards. I just think they frame your cards so well. And I wanted, because we've got people, we've got objects such as couches, bathtubs, chairs, I just wanted them to have something to be grounded on without me trying to create like carpet or floor. Once I had my purple frame glued down, I'm trying to figure out a layout for this card, and I really wanted to use the pink chandelier that I colored, but in the end, sadly, I'm not able to use it. I just didn't want my scene to be too crowded. But I can use that on a future card. This is an oval cutout of some pattern paper, purple, and then I cut out a hot pink frame, and I'm just going to glue this frame on top of this piece of oval pattern paper from the paper pad. Once I have that adhered to the oval, I go in with the cutout. I just fussy cut out one of the girls in the bathtub, and I use my scan and cut to cut out the sentiment that says pamper yourself. And I think it just makes a really cute picture to be hanging in the bathroom. So I thought that was super adorable. And I figured the first thing I better do was to get the bathtub glued down to the card panel because it is the largest image in the stamp that I have. By the way, I use my scan and cut to fussy cut the chandelier and the girl and the cat and the tub and the flower and the scrubby. But I know I can't use all this because I think it's too busy. I just think that it's too much. But so here's what we decide to do. I know I've got to get my bathtub down first. So I do that first. Then I go in and I go ahead and I glue the candle and the scrubby. And then I'm going to use some foam tape to pop up the cat. And I'm going to put her between the girl and the tub. I'm going to also use foam tape to pop up the girl. And I'm going to remove the adhesive strip from behind the foam tape, and I put her in the far left corner of the card. I'm going to also use foam tape for the portrait that I'm going to be hanging on the wall above the bathtub. I will remove the adhesive from the back of the foam tape and pop that up on my panel. And I end up just centering this to the best that I can in the middle of the panel. Once I get the photo, portrait, whatever you want to call it, wall hanging, hung up, then I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to a A2 card base in black. And I'm just going to use some tape runner to do that. So there you have it. Another beautiful card, I think, from the Not Too Shabby Lazy Day kit. Here are all three of my cards together, side by side. And here's a close-up of my card that we made together today. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to check out Not Too Shabby for more information about the products used today. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.